Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down active connections. This clears software hangups. First, charge buds above 20% and the case above 10% so resets don't fail. Once charging is confirmed, remove both buds and leave them in the case with the lid open. This forces the unit into pairing logic. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is off, or forget the Sesh An device in Bluetooth settings so the earbuds won't auto-reconnect during the reset process. Now perform the actual factory reset. Press and hold both earbud buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. You'll feel a brief vibration. Keep holding until the LED flashes amber then white, which confirms the internal memory has been cleared. Once the LEDs display that pattern, release the buttons. Close the case and wait 30 seconds to clear transient states, then reopen to let the buds enter fresh pairing mode so you can set them up again with a clean connection. Finish by pairing. Turn on Bluetooth and choose Sesh An from available devices. You should hear a pairing cue. If pairing fails, repeat the reset once more, then check for firmware updates via the Skullcandy app. Updates often fix stability. If problems persist, fully discharge both buds and the case, then charge for 1 hour. That power cycle can recover stuck hardware states. If none of this works, contact support. Note your firmware version when you call.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.